How much did it hurt? And what was your recovery like? And how long did that take? Because I'm sure we've probably gotten asked that question already a few times.
Many times. And so I would tell you that the pain, actually, if you want to watch my procedure, go to Ellacor Skin on Instagram and you can watch it. It's there. The pain for me was nothing. And I'm actually a big baby when it comes to pain, but I had a nerve block and some tumescent anesthesia, and I literally felt nothing, just a little bit of pressure. With proper anesthesia technique, you just don't feel much of anything at all. Recovery for me was also one of those things to where you call it for the first couple of days, you're pretty red. You've had skin
Yes,
removed,
that
and
is.
so you're going to have some redness. But then by day three, that red turns to pink. If you wear makeup, you can apply makeup probably after just a couple of days, and then you're good to go. My healing cascade was probably 3 days that I was pretty red. Then I turned pink, and by day seven, I was pretty well good to go. Never did I have pain though, and that was something that was funny when people would first look at me. I was a bit swollen after the procedure, and I was red, and people thought, "Oh my goodness, does this hurt?" And I can tell you honestly, I felt no pain at all. On the day after the procedure, it felt more like I had a dry mud mask on my face than any form of pain or any burning or anything like that. I never felt any of that. But the total healing cascade for me was about 7 days, in which you'd say after day seven, people were none the wiser that I had the procedure. What's interesting though is that what I continue to feel, and I'm 2.5 months out from my first procedure, and a couple of things. Number one, I still feel tight. My face feels like definitely something happened. I can feel it in the morning when I'm on the treadmill. It feels almost like your skin went to the tailor and it just fits better. Number one. Number two, we did an upper lip measurement, and my upper lip shrunk by almost 2 millimeters, 1.89 millimeters to be
Wow.
exact, after doing one procedure at 7% here, which was really cool. So now I have pretty lips. And then the final, the final piece of this was that I had a traumatic scar down my face from an injury that I had in my 20s, and it's far more difficult to see now and much more superficial. So I'm going to have my second procedure probably in the next month or so, and I'm really excited to see what could happen with that. But honestly, no pain. Total healing time was about a week, and what I feel more than anything is just tightness, but a good tightness, not a tightness that's uncomfortable, but one like my skin feels like it fits better.